welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess if you're new here, and today I have a BeautyFix unboxing to unbox today. It's the April 2018's Dermstore curated BeautyFix box, and it looks like they've changed their look, changed their packaging, so we'll see if anything else has changed inside. Just like always, I did go ahead and look at these things. I didn't sample them or anything, but I needed to know how big they were and what they were, so that way I could go online and look at the retail value of them and let you know along the way how much they're worth, and at the end how much the box is worth, and that way you can decide if it's worth it to you. Real quick, I just want to let you know, if you're new to BeautyFix, this is a box that is curated by Dermstore. And so everything, Dermstore is like an online website that sells all things beauty, and they tend to carry like natural brands, organic brands, high-end brands, and I just really enjoy their website. They have a lot of great things, and they always have great discounts, like coupons, 20% off your total order, and they have a great reward system as well. So I highly recommend checking them out. But you can subscribe to their subscription boxes, which are $25 a month, or you can just get this box and look it up on their website and buy it for $35 just one time. So you don't have to have a subscription to get the box, which I think is really neat, because I think that's a little bit different than most subscription boxes. And this subscription definitely is skincare heavy, hair care. There's sometimes makeup products in it, but definitely if you're looking to expand your skincare collection and get really nice brands and save money doing it that way, because the boxes are usually retail valued at over $100, and even if you bought it one time for $35, it's saving you a lot of money. So hopefully you will enjoy this box, and let's get right into it. As I said in the intro, this is a new box, and not that that really matters. They're probably just trying to change things up. I actually really like aqua, and so this is really pretty to me. And when you open it up, it's a little bit different when you open it as well. And it has these little squiggly paper thingies, which I kind of liked. They had tissue paper before, and because these they're just really messy. I don't really care for them, but maybe they were having issues with things shifting when, during mailing and shipping. And so this definitely, I would think, keeps it more compact. I think it did have these little things, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. I don't know, I can't remember, but this is what it looks like now. So on top of here, we have a BeautyFix card, and it says Au Naturel. This is kind of explains kind of a little bit about each product inside and their theme. And so the theme, which I think looks delicious. I love salads and fruit and vegetables, wow, no. Fruits and vegetables, and so that's kind of, I think it looks like what they're leaning towards is just having all natural, clean, fresh, and completely effective. This month is dedicated to Mother Nature in honor of Earth Day. Oh, okay. I didn't realize it was Earth Day soon. We thoughtfully curated a collection of natural beauty for you to explore. Try this vibrant assortment of products and trust us, you'll be a natural maven in no time. So this is the product details, and I don't really need to go into that, but on the back here there is a save up to 20% off coupon code. Mother Nature is the code, and it says if you want full-size items. So I don't know if it's just for these items that would give you up to 20% off, or if it will also apply to other products in their store. So I love coupons and coupon codes, so I'll check that out for you and let you know in probably a little pop-up here. So let's get into this box. The first product I'm just gonna pull out, is the biggest product here. It's a full-size Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. And I have tried a few Juice Beauty products, and they're okay. They definitely have great ingredients, and it says formulated with organic ingredients. Not everything in here is organic, but maybe, the important stuff is organic. I don't know if they're great for sensitive skin, because they have a lot of essential oils, they tend to, but I don't really have sensitive skin, so that's not a problem for me. Just thought I would let you know about the brand a little bit. They're also sold at Ulta, and Dermstore obviously sells them, so I don't know if Sephora sells them. So this is what the moisturizer looks like. Oh, ooh, Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so it has one of those push lids, like the Drunk Elephant Lala Retro moisturizer, and this is really nice because it keeps things airtight. And
I'm just gonna try to figure out how to open this. Do we just push it? I'm just gonna try to push it. Don't mind my nails. I didn't have time to paint them. I wanted to get. Okay.
so this is really cool because here in Michigan, we don't realize it's spring, and so it's snowing right now on April 5th. 6th, April 6th, I don't know. Early April, it's snowing, and so the product is a little bit cold. Oh, there it goes. So there it kind of just squirts out at top, and you just get the product like that. It has a citrus scent to it, and let's rub it in. This obviously goes on your face. It would be a very expensive moisturizer for your hands. Oh, by the way, this values at $70. $70 for 1.7 fluid ounces, so that's pretty pricey. I won't be using any more on my hands because it's supposed to have benefits for your face, anti-aging benefits. I really enjoy that scent. I love citrus scents. I actually diffuse it in my house all the time, lemon and bergamot and everything, so it's really nice. I will see if the citrus scents and oils that are in here will irritate my face because although I don't have sensitive skin, maybe I have sensitivities to some citric acid, not L-ascorbic acid, not vitamin C serums that I've had, but sometimes the concentration of the fragrance that they put in products irritates my skin. So that is a very nice thing. So right there, if you're just interested in trying anything from Juice Beauty, you know, $35 if you don't have a subscription, that right there is saving you money because this is $70. Am I the only one that likes packaging like that? I don't know. Some packaging excites me. All right, next thing I'm pulling out is the Pacifica Sea Foam Complete Face Wash. This is for all skin types, sulfate free. It's made of coconut water, sea algae complex, and a powerhouse of antioxidants. So I haven't tried a lot of Pacifica skincare. I have tried some of their makeup, and they're a nice cruelty-free natural brand that you can get in many places actually. And this is a small little sample of a face wash, which it definitely would have enough in here to probably get a week's worth of washing your face. So the value of this is $1.40, and because it's only 0.7 fluid ounces, and I think you can get the full size one for $10. So this is something I'm looking forward to using. Obviously I can't really try it out right here and wash my face for you, but it comes with a seal, so that's nice to know. And I can open it because I do want a new face wash for my shower because I like these kind of twist off and squeeze type of things for my shower. It smells like citrus as well. Does it have citrus in it? Coconut. It should smell like coconut. Let me see. Maybe I just have Juice Beauty all over me. I can't. Oh, okay. Yep, it smells like coconut. Just the Juice Beauty lotion is overpowering it. It's a light coconut smell. And I got some lipstick on my hand too. So there it is there. And I'm just gonna have to go wash that off real quick. All right, we are back. So I'm looking forward to trying this out. Like I said, I've never really tried much of Pacifica's face care, skincare products. So this will be a good introductory product, I think. Next is this Raw Beauty powder, protein powder drink. And I've tried, they actually gave us I think a 10-pack of these last year in that BeautyFix box. And I tried it, and I tried to like it because I really do want to add more of these type of things in my diet. I just do not like it. And I like a lot of health food tasting things, you know, but I just did not like this. And this, you know, it says it's Tahitian vanilla and berry infusion. You can mix it with water and milk and all these different things, but I probably won't try this, and maybe I'll give this to my sister or somebody who would like it. Is it soy-free and all that stuff? Yeah, there's no milk, corn. Okay, yeah, this is definitely something my sister can try. So that's cool. I'll give that to her. And this values at $1.29. Next up are the Skin Icelandic Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gels. Looks like that. These, I think, usually come in a pack of either 8 or 10. And this is just one eye gel pack. I like to wear them in the morning because I feel like at night, nobody really cares about what my eyes look like when I'm going to bed. But in the morning when I want to put my makeup on and stuff, and I have, you know, I need to look like I got more sleep than I do, then these definitely help to hydrate. I don't know about this brand specifically, but I know that under eye gels, the good ones, they hydrate your under eyes, make them look plumper and less crepey. I have kind of dry skin under my eyes, and so they work. Under eye gels work well for me. I'm looking forward to trying this brand out. Next product, I'm really excited that they added this in here. It's Sunday Riley's Tidal Cream. This is a brightening enzyme water cream, and I enjoy this. It has hyaluronic acid, enzymes, and that's in Spanish, so that's why I couldn't understand it. So it has a few things that help to brighten your skin. It's a little mini size, and it's 8 grams, but even though it's only a little tiny size, it's still $11.73 for this. So, you know, that's pretty cool. This is definitely a high-end brand. I love Sunday Riley's, whatever I've tried from them. I do know, though, that my cousin, this is her favorite cream. She has more combo, oily, dry in some areas, and so this works well for her. I like a little bit more moisturizing cream normally, although this would be good for the spring and summertime because you don't need as much moisture on for the last layer. What I'm trying to say is I'll probably give this to her though because I know she'll enjoy it a lot, and but this is really cool to get in this box. Next is a brand I've never heard before, but apparently Dermstore carries them, and it's a really nice brand because I looked at the price for everything. This is called the Tammy Fender Antioxidant Cream, Neroli and Orange. There was also another option. You could either get this one or you could get another one that was just a nutrients cream as well. This one's value is $27.90 for this little thing. I just find that crazy. And it's a jar. And jar packaging is not good for antioxidant type of things because the oxygen will get into the product when you unscrew it, and then, although it is a small container, but if you had the full-size container for $130, don't do that. Okay, I love that Dermstore is letting me try this brand, and it's a small thing, so I could probably use it and still have the effects of the antioxidants in this cream, but it's just crazy how expensive it is. And if I just much prefer a packaging like Juice Beauty's packaging, because that's an airtight pump, and then this, which I'm almost positive it's not, yeah, it has a little seal on it, but there's no pump or anything. Maybe the full-size one has a pump. That would be something to consider.
Maybe I'm just gonna fall in love with this, and I just can't picture myself buying a face cream for $130. Just not there yet. If it does miracles, if I need miracles to happen in my 50s maybe, but not right now. Really cool thing to try out. That's all I'm gonna say about it.
2 more things as I'm pulling them out of the box. This is a pillow spray from This Works pillow spray. And this, I believe, just has essential oils in it. It's safe to spray on your pillow and lay on it. It's just a little tiny sample. This is only 93 cents, valued at 93 cents because of how small the sample is. And it's probably, you know, a couple sprays worth or something, or maybe 2 nights. See if you can sleep better. I personally love diffusing oils when I'm sleeping. I don't know if I would like it on my pillow and on my face, but I would be willing just to try it out, see if you guys are interested in how this works, and see if it affects my face at all. Lastly is the Organic Pharmacy Enzyme Peel Mask. This is with vitamin C and papaya. It's this little guy here. It's 5 milliliters, and it's valued at $6.60. So that's, you know, this is a nice brand. I believe everything in it is organic. Made with 71.4% organic ingredients. and it's in a tube like this, which is nice because organic ingredients don't have as long of a shelf life, especially if it's in a jar, and so having it in a tube is very nice. And it's an enzyme peel mask, so what that means is it has some probably AHAs in here. Lactic acid is one of the first ingredients, which is an AHA, a gentle AHA. So it's just going to help slough off the dead skin cells off of your face and make it more of a smoother face. And also if you have those like kind of little bumps around your jawline, then this will help get rid of those. So I am looking forward to using this. I do use an AHA every night, and so I will definitely put this into my routine to see how it works. So that's everything for this box. I'm going to give you the total, which again, I forgot to do. And I need a pen. My battery's gonna die, so I hope it's not dead already. Okay, I couldn't find a pen, but I'm gonna use a crayon. So we have $70 plus. So my battery died, and then my kids woke up, and then I had to go get them food, and so it's been a little while since that previous clip, but I wanted to give you the total of our BeautyFix box. The total is actually $163 and something cents, and that is a huge value for the box. Now what I like to do is, even though it is a $160 value, is it really valuable to me? Because whether or not something is, worth something, it's really only worth what you would pay for it. So what I like to do is think to myself, if I saw this box sitting on a shelf for $25, then would I want to purchase it? So knowing that there was a full-size $70 value Juice Beauty moisturizer plus Sunday Riley cream, the enzyme cream, and then all like the eye mask and the Pacifica face wash. There's a lot of things that I would like to try in there, but it was really skincare heavy, and so I enjoy that in a box, and so I would definitely purchase this, and I'm very happy with it. I'm so glad that I am subscribed. So if you're interested in subscribing, I'll leave a link down below where you can sign up, and you can cancel at any time. It's pretty cool, and they do get to you pretty quickly. At least where I live, they shipped me really quickly, so I enjoy that, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you do, then definitely please subscribe if you would like to watch more of these kind of videos. I'm also going through a Skincare 101 series where I talk about, just kind of the basics of skincare and answer questions and go through detailed information on ingredients. And so if you're interested in that, please check that out, and I would love to have you stick around and subscribe. So all that being said, I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.